Chapter number 6, Molecular Basic of Inheritance, DNA Fingerprinting. As started in the preceding section, 99.9% sequence among humans is the same. Assuming of human genome as a 3 multiplied 10 raised to 9 base pair in law of many base sequence, would their difference be? It is this difference sequence of DNA which make every individual unique in their phenotypic appearance, means phenotype or genotype is different. If one aims to find out genetic difference between two individuals or among individuals of a population, means two people, to DNA phenotype, it is a different, means two individuals, or would be daunting of expensive task. Imagine trying compare two sets of 3 multiply 10 raised to 6. First is a 10 raised to 3 multiply 10 raised to 9 base pair. DNA fingerprinting is a quick compared to the DNA sequence. Main importance roles for DNA fingerprinting compared to the DNA sequence for any two individuals. DNA fingerprinting involves identify different some specific regions of DNA sequence called repetitive DNA. Because on this sequence small stretch of DNA repeated of many times, this repeated DNA is separated from the bulk of genomic DNA. Different peaks during the density gradient centrifugation, and the bulk forms a major peak. Other small peaks referred to as a satellite DNA. Clear? Depending on the basic composition for A, gem T reach on G gem C. This is a purine and this is a pyrimidine. Adenine, thymine, guanine and cytosine. Purine base pair, pyrimidine base pair. Clear? Next point. Length of segment and number of repetitive units for satellite DNA is classified into many categories, such as microsatellite, second, mini satellite. These sequences normally do not code for any proteins, but they form a large portion of human genome. These sequences show high degree of polymorphism and form basic of DNA fingerprinting. For example, such as DNA every tissue for any one part of collect for blood, hair follicle, skin, bone, saliva and sperm. This is a DNA collection from the DNA fingerprinting process. From an individual show this same degree of polymorphism, they become very useful for main function of this importance of the DNA fingerprinting advantage become a very useful and identification tool for forensic application. Further, as the polymorphism for inheritable from parents to children, DNA fingerprinting is the basic of paternity testing in case of disputes. Polymorphism in DNA sequence is the genetic mapping. This is one type of genetic mapping sequence in human genome as well as DNA fingerprinting. Is essential for understanding for DNA polymorphism means simple term as a polymorphism. Polymorphism means variation in genetic level arise to the mutation. Recall different from kind of mutation as the effects of already studied chapter number 5. In preceding section in their chapter means new mutations any arise individuals either somatic cell or in Germ cells. Cells generate gametes for sexually reproducing organism different from the people. Germ cells mutation does not seriously impair individual's ability to have offspring and transmit foreign mutation. Mutation means any one change of nucleotide sequence. It can be spread to the other member of population for sexual reproduction. Allele mean mutate gene. Sequence for variation as traditionally described DNA polymorphism if more than one variant means allele. At a locus, human population with a frequency greater than 0.01 simple terms inheritable mutation observed population for high frequency referred to as a DNA polymorphism. This is a 2 marks theory. DNA polymorphism means changing for DNA variation of DNA fingerprinting. The probability such variation to be observed in non-coding DNA sequence would be higher mutation. This sequence may not have any immediate impact in an individual's for reproductive ability. This type of mutation accumulating generation to generation means one generation to another generation. Many nucleotide sequences change any variation of chromosomes and from one of basic of variability and polymorphism. There is a variety of different polymorphism ranging from this change of nucleotide sequence. It is a very large scale changes. Next point, for evolution for speciation for such morphism play very important role and study for the higher classes. Main importance for VNTR. VNTR means variable number of tandem repeats. Salient features of DNA fingerprinting. First point is the isolation of DNA. Second, digestion of DNA used by enzyme for restriction endonuclease. Digestion of DNA by restriction endonuclease enzyme. Third points, separating of DNA fragments used for instrument for electrophoresis. Electrophoresis means separate of DNA for any people. Fourth point, transferring from blotting separated DNA fragments of synthesis members such as transfer to the nitrocellulose or nylon paper. Main question in NEET and GUJCAT MCQS: what is DNA fragments transferred to the membrane such as nitrocellulose or nylon? Hybridization using label VNTR probe. This is a probe. Detection of hybridized DNA fragments used by autoradiography. First of all, this figure. This is a paternal chromosome and maternal chromosome. First red color pigment is a chromosome 7, 4 and 3 base pair nucleotide sequence, and this is a chromosome 7. Transfer to the chromosome 2, transfer to the chromosome 2, transfer to the chromosome 16 and transfer to the chromosome 16. This sequence is a DNA from individual A and this sequence is a DNA individual B. Number of short tandem repeats DNA from crime scene of C means electrophoresis technology used by runaway sample number A, DNA from individual A, second DNA from individual B, and third is a C. Amplified repeats separate by size on a gel. This is observed for DNA probe means DNA fragments. Different types of number of short tandem repeats for DNA fingerprint. Clear? The VNTR belongs to a class satellite DNA. Satellite DNA refers to the mini satellite. Mini satellite. A small DNA sequence is arranged tandemly in many copy number. The copy number from chromosome A means chromosome 7, chromosome 2 and chromosome 16. Chromosome 7 sequence, 2 sequence and 16 sequence. And label of DNA A, B and C. The number of repeats show very high degree of polymorphism. As a result of this size VNTR varieties of 0.1 to 20 kb means DNA probe is obtained 0.1 to 20 kb in size. In NEET and GUJCAT MCQS. After hybridization with VNTR probe, the autoradiogram gives for bands is different size. This bands is a different size. First red, second orange and third blue blunt pink. These bands give a characteristic pattern of individual DNA. It differs from the individual to individual population except to case of monozygotic. Mono means only one. Monozygotic twins. Monozygote twins. The sensitivity of techniques is increased by polymers. Polymerase means enzyme. What is full form of PCR? PCR full form is a polymerase chain reaction. This is a PCR-U study in forensics lab for used for DNA fingerprinting. DNA from a single cell enough to perform to DNA fingerprinting analysis. In addition, application for most important for forensic science, DNA fingerprinting used in forensics lab or used for any blame to the or any crime scene. This used for DNA fingerprinting. Next point, it has much wider application such as a determining population or genetic diversities, and currently many different probes are used for generate DNA fingerprinting. Thank you, student.